What do you want to live that adventure? What do you want to feel alive? What is stopping you from living right now? Take a deep breath and start your journey, because nothing can stop you now. Introducing Avaroxi, the world's first self-cleaning e-bike, lightest, fastest, and yet affordable. Avaroxi has a unique and compact design with an integrated 48-volt IP67 waterproof battery that just takes 90 minutes to get fully charged up, so there is 0 to minimum halting during your ride. With a 500-watt motor, it gives you the power of riding at 28 miles per hour and a range of 65 miles. Daily urban commute or the dream mountain adventure, Avaroxi is the best fit for both the worlds. It's a super hydrophobic bike that repels 90% of the mud, dust, and water. Its 4 unique riding modes take care of your health and get you all the power you need from your bike, making it the most unbeatable bike in the market. Lightweight, but yet so strong because of heat-rated 6061 aluminum frame and carbon fiber monocoque fork. Avaroxi has lockable hydraulic suspension, so just twist and turn your way through. Avaroxi is a Bluetooth-enabled bike, so with just another click on your mobile app, you can track your speed, distance, control the lights, and much more. Also available in 5 different colors.
The bike is so lightweight and comfortable. I'm really impressed by the design. It's so compact, yet versatile for all terrains, whether I'm on mountain roads or in city streets. I use it for my everyday commute too. No matter what my needs are, this bike suits me well, and it'll suit you too.
Prepare yourself for a healthy and green adventure, and get yourself your Avaroxi now.
Thrill of victory. A feeling of overwhelming euphoria, like you're on top of the world and nothing can stop you. To win, you have to optimize your performance. Taking care of your mental health is one of the components to achieve this. But given the intense life we live, failures and losses lead to uneven performance and constant stress. But what if you could improve your brain? Introducing Neurolead. Neurolead is the world's first brain training system designed for gamers. An all-in-one device that seamlessly fits your favorite gaming headset. We designed Neurolead to help you become a better and healthier gamer by training your brain. Transform any headset to a track set. Setup takes only a few seconds. Neurolead tracks, analyzes, and improves your cognitive performance with the power of EEG neurofeedback technology. The technology is well known and used by athletes and astronauts, but has not been accessible for gamers until now. Master your focus and self-control, and win more games. This is how it works. Your brain learns from feedback. With neurofeedback, you can teach your brain to snap into the optimal state of mind. When you enter this state, you are rewarded with visual and auditory feedback through the app. While you are gaming, Neurolead's biosensors measure your brain activity, while the software analyzes and visualizes your brain patterns. During the game, whenever you are stressed or distracted, Neurolead can send you gentle feedback to help you calm down and get back in your flow. After the game is finished, it sets you in a relaxed state faster to help you sleep better. You get a full report on your mental performance. You can compare this data with your gaming performance and track your progress over time. Neurolead can identify your mental strengths and weaknesses and recommend the training sessions you need. Using gyros, accelerometers, and magnetometers to detect your physical state, it alerts you if you've been sitting stiff for too long or if your posture is poor. Before a gaming session, it helps you with warming up your body to prevent injuries and keep you in good health. So, what are you waiting for? Order your device now. Don't let your competitors get ahead of you. Improve your game. Improve your brain with Neurolead. Neurolead is 100% designed in the EU. Our team includes brain researchers, industrial and user experience designers, artificial intelligence and hardware experts, and gamers. We won the IEEE Brain Hackathon in 2016, after which we received funding to create our own neuro headset. In 2019, we shipped working prototypes for researchers. During the last 6 months, we've been working with a rough prototype and spending time with gamers to understand their needs. By now, we have integrated all R&D results into a functional prototype and now need funding to begin production and finalize our app.
Our mission is simple. We want to improve your health and gaming performance. Now we need your help. Join us. Be sure to follow our progress along the way here on Discord, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
The climate is changing rapidly. It affects lifestyle. It impacts our cities, our landscapes, and our future. Meteo Tracker is the first weather station designed to collect data on the move, combining this with a passion for meteorology, travel, the outdoors and sport, all within a single user experience. Thanks to the patented technology of Meteo Tracker, we can do more than you can imagine to monitor climate change and collect data in places and spaces that are meteorologically unknown. Keep your eyes on the climate.
1,000 things I would rather do right now. There has to be something better than this. Kalia turns your organic waste into nourishing compost in just 48 hours. With Kalia, you can upgrade your kitchen routine. No more smelly garbage, no more garbage hassle. Fresh compost, easily homemade, less stress for you, less methane gas, which is, by the way, 20 times more dangerous than CO2. But no panic. Doing something good and creating environmentally friendly compost is easy peasy. All you need is organic waste. And if you love cooking like we do, you'll find a lot of it at home. Kalia will take care of all your leftovers. You can fill Kalia at any time, even when it's in compost creation mode. You can't fill up any other kitchen composter while it's in use. So yes, Kalia is always ready for you when your chopping board is full. There is no compost fairy, but you can say for sure that Kalia has its own natural magic. Just plug it in, push the button, and let the compost game begin in 3 magic steps. First, the robust shredding system processes and dries all your kitchen scraps, even nutshells. In our composting chamber, we wake up the microorganisms, which are a natural part of every organic material. The intelligent sensor system measures and controls temperature, humidity, and ventilation. The result? Ready-to-use compost. Curious to see how and where Kalia's magic is made? Since 2017, the passionate Kalia team worked and tested hard on innovative technology and the perfect design to fit in every kitchen. You can't imagine how Kalia shall fix your mountain of food scraps? Let's minimize. Composting reduces the volume by about 85%. But mind the gap. See these beauties growing? You can kill them with kindness. Because not everything that is called compost is real compost. Some machines you can find on the market only shred and dry, which can be toxic to your plants. Many generations of prototypes, almost 2 years of testing. Together with leading research institutes, Kalia perfectly optimized the composting process. Just open the tray and spread some compost, which you can use for many good things. Mix it up with the regular soil and give an extra treatment to your plants. You'll love it the smart way. With the Kalia app, you are able to monitor your homemade compost, see your environmental impact, and receive great gardening tips. Take your Kalia compost outdoors and let your veggie and flower dreams grow. Kalia is made with love in Stuttgart, Germany.
I'm Chris, one of the founders of Kalia and part of this fantastic team. Support us on Indiegogo today and join us on our compost journey, because together we can create something beautiful out of our daily organic waste.